Hi everyone, this is Shiva here. I work as Head of Sales Engineering at Fieldproxy. Today let's look into expense management as a process and how it works and what is the back end of it, right? So before I deep dive into the processes, I want to tell you what it solves, right? So it helps you as a manager to track the expenses of your on-field team, right? Of course, once the on-field team been on-field, they have expenses like fuel allocations or food, etc., right? So all these requests can be submitted on this portal here, and you as a manager can view it month-wise, week-wise, etc., right? So let me first start off with showing you how the user interface for app looks like and how your field agent can feed in the data. So this is our app. So once you open it, you can see the expense management. So once you go inside as a field agent, he or she can see the data before whatever they submitted, right? And apart from that, for example, if they have to submit a response, let's say food, and the amount that I spent was like 200 rupees, right? And I can also upload an image. So whatever they received, I just need to open the camera and click on and then upload the image as well. And then I need to submit the response. Yeah. And it's as simple as that. Once it is done, it is recorded in a back end of the system. So now I'll show you on the back end how it works. So this is how the user interface for the web portal looks like for a manager, as a manager. So it's a simple process. There is a task where all the data is collected and recorded, and it's reflected in different sheets. So the reason why I was collecting this sheets data is for you to reflect in a dashboard perspective for you to see. Let's show you the dashboard here. So this is the dashboard where all the data is represented for you. And now let's say it can be viewed in a user perspective or overall teams, right? Now I'm looking at an overall team perspective, right? For example, here's whoever has spent amount on what they have spent. What are the users there? For example, Anand and this test and Swaroop. So all of these users were there, and how much amount they have spent on total day by day, and last 2 days how much they have spent, and overall how much amount it is. And it is also split into overall, like how much, where is your team actually spending money at? Is it food? Is it fuel? All these things are recorded here overall. And apart from that, you can also see if any reimbursement has been done, that can also be recorded here overall. And monthly wise expenses is there, and there's also day wise expenses that you can see and etc., right? So also the reimbursement also monthly wise. And so all this data here, for example, this is all week wise and monthly wise data, right? Per overall team. This can also be reflected for individual members as well, right? So this is how the whole expense management process works, and this is how the data is collected, and this is how it's represented for you. And and feel free to reach out to us if you have any more questions on this. Thank you.